Every day, thousands of planes take off and land, sometimes just seconds apart, but airports don't rely on guesswork to avoid chaos. Behind every smooth landing and on-time departure is math, quietly deciding when, where, and how each plane moves. Today we're breaking down how math keeps airport runways safe, efficient, and on schedule. Think of a runway like a single-lane road, except planes can't stop quickly, turn easily, or pull over. Only one plane can safely use a runway at a time. Airports must answer questions like, which plane goes next? How much time should pass between planes? What happens if one is delayed? This is where scheduling math steps in. After a plane takes off or lands, it leaves behind turbulence called wake vortices. Math helps calculate minimum time gaps based on aircraft size, speed, wind direction. For example, a large jet may require a longer gap. A smaller plane needs extra time for safety. These calculations prevent dangerous air disturbances and runway collisions. Airports use queuing theory, a branch of math that studies waiting lines. Planes are prioritized using variables like fuel levels, connecting passengers, weather windows, emergency status. The goal: minimize total delay while keeping everything safe. Math helps choose the best possible order, not just the fastest one. Weather changes everything. Math models predict storm movement, wind shifts, visibility changes. Using probability and statistics, airports decide whether to delay flights, switch runways, reroute traffic. This allows airports to act before conditions become dangerous. Modern airports rely on algorithms that update schedules every few seconds. These algorithms recalculate new arrival times, delays, emergencies. One small delay can ripple through the entire system, and math works constantly to keep those ripples under control. So next time your plane lands perfectly on time, remember, it wasn't luck. It was math balancing time, space, speed, weather, and safety to make sure everyone arrives safely. Math doesn't just live in textbooks, it keeps the world moving, one runway at a time. If you enjoy seeing how math powers everyday life, like, subscribe, and tell us what system we should break down next.